What's up everybody out there in YouTube land? I've been shooting some videos lately about how to change your own oil. Like I said, we did cover that topic on how to change the oil in the Miata, but we were wanting to cover how to change the oil on most cars on the road, just general education, so people out there can start doing their own work. One thing you need to know before you do that is you need to know what kind of oil your car takes. And there's 3 easy ways to do it and a 4th one that you can do on your own if you want to. The first way is the owner's manual. So what I have here today, Owner's Manual, 1991 Miata. Find it in the book under lubricant specifications. You go over here, engine oil. As you can see, it says 10W30, unless it gets below like -10 or so, right about there, then you need to switch to 530. So for most people, 1030 would be on your Miata. The next place to look is obviously oil cap. This is a Mazda CX-5. I've done an oil change on for a friend of mine today. 0W20. Most 0W20 is going to be a synthetic. So there are some synthetic blend 020s, but most of the time it is synthetic. The other place you can look under the hood, on my daily driver here, this is a 2012 Nissan Maxima. On the hood, as you can see, it says engine oil viscosity 5W30. So there's two places it will be under the hood. Now, that's 3 places you can check. The 4th place you can check is if you go to Walmart or AutoZone, Napa, wherever, they'll have what's called a lubrication guide or a lubrication supplement. And you just tell them, hey, I've got a 2006 Honda Fit, whatever. They will look it up. They will tell you whatever Castrol, the manufacturer, whatever says to use. It will say, you know, 5W30 synthetic, 5W30 synthetic blend, whatever it is. Now you can also Google that, but you're also going to run into a lot of stuff where people say, you know, it says to use 020, but I run 520 because it runs better, or, you know, I've run non-synthetic. Always take whatever you read on the internet with a grain of salt. It's a lot of people out there that have knowledge that isn't right. So like we did with our isopropyl alcohol video, just because people tell you that they've done it doesn't mean it's right. So with this knowledge, you can get the oil you need, and you can also at the same time get the filter you need and start changing your own oil. Lubricant specifications.